already opened the box and took these out because these are for a customer. I was able to get a nice amount of pairs. So go ahead and get into it. As you can see, these are the Gamma 11s, the Christmas Jordans, as people say. On your box, you got your label with your info, your QR code, your barcode. You got your hole where you pull. On your side, you got the 2-3, the infamous 23 in the 11 way. On the bottom, of course, you got the Nike, swoosh, all the info about Nike locations. Flip this open. You got your shoe paper here. It's my receipt for the customer. Proof of purchase, even though I'm legit and they don't need it. Let's get into it. Gamma 11s. Classic. Now, one thing you notice, don't have that 23 cover on there. They switched it up. They went back. So take these out. Gonna do first hand look, review, like we always do. Alright, so these are size 9. Little foot person. Got your Jordan on 1, 2, 3. It's always on the 3rd on the 11s. It says Jordan. Patent. I don't touch on the shoes. I only take them out the box, and that's it. I don't like when people touch on my shoes. It really pisses me off. So we're gonna start with the left shoe. Pretty good quality. Nice and shiny. Don't see any glue stains, which is always a plus. You got the Jumpman and Gamma on the inside. Again, no glue stains. Right here at the top, we got a little paint. Right there, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna leave that up to the customer if they want to remove it. I'm not gonna take it off. On the bottom, you got that Gamma blue and then that nice dark clear sole, your carbon. I'll say this, man, this 11s, people go crazy for these. I like them too. It's just the look, and then the fact that they're black, it goes with everything. So again, your 23 Gamma Jumpman. Right there, you got a little, well, that's on the inside, so it's not a big deal. You got a scratch right there on the patent leather. Oh yeah, right there. Came from the factory like that. Check out the inside. Good. No glue stains. Your bottom with your carbon. The only thing that bothers me is that scratch, but it's not a big deal because they're sold out, so you can't send these back. On the inside of the shoe, you got your size with the gold Jumpman, and they don't have the hard shoe trees no more. It's the paper, which sucks, but what can you do? They make them how they want. You pay for them because you like them. Now, one thing I like to check on the 11s is the toe box. So right here, you can, it's hard to see. There's a little bit of separation, just a little bit, but that might just be the top part not touching. Toe box is always the first thing you check out, or I do on my 11s, the toe box, to see if it's separation, and those are good. So Gamma 11 Jordans, I think 11s always have the best quality. So these are pretty much flawless. You got your little nipple right there. That's a way to tell if they're real or fake. Fake ones don't always have that nipple. But yeah, Gamma 11s, Christmas J's. Took a week to get here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.